Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, due to current events and what's going on and who the hell knows what's really going on, and from what I'm seeing with these states, especially with Washington stockpiling food, and who knows what other states are stockpiling food. I don't know about you, but I'm buckling down. I'm up in my game. I don't know about you, but this is what I'm doing. I am now ordering everything that I need from Royal King because from what I'm seeing, their prices are the best when it comes to getting like canning supplies. I have been checking everywhere for mason jars and stuff like that. A lot of people are out, but they still have a good amount. So I'm ordering everything that I need. I don't know if this is the good one or not, but this Presto 23 quart aluminum pressure canner is $90. I am not that sure on if this is a good one or not, but this is the one that I'm getting. So please let me know if this is the good one or not, please, because I'm not very well educated in this department here, okay? So, not for nothing, but I keep seeing all these videos popping up that Washington State is stockpiling food. What other states are doing this? What other states? Because now I'm becoming more concerned more now than ever. So because of this, I'm going to start canning. I've upped my game with my seeds for my garden. And when Sean comes home from work, we're going to have a discussion on, what else has to be done, especially around the house with security and things like that, because that's his department, really, because law enforcement and stuff like that, his background. So, that's going to be his department, and, this is me. This is my department right here with, food and stuff like that, and plus, we're sending, care packages to Andrew and Madison in Tennessee. So, we're going to have to up our game. Oh, I'm going blurry. I hate that. We're going to have to be, going to be upping our game with sending them care packages as well. So we can make sure that they are fully stocked as well. Since they moved, because today makes 2 weeks that they have been in Tennessee, we've sent them. This is a total mom moment, okay? Total mom moment. I know. We've sent them 3 care packages. I know. So we're going to have to up our game. And, what we'll do is, because they have the grocery stores that they have there are Aldi's, Publix, and Kroger. So we're going to start sending them gift cards. We've already sent them a gift card to Publix, and I'll show you what we did. Hang on, let me go get it. Okay, now this is a Publix gift card. Now this is, can you see that? Darn it. What this says is Publix Parent Fill Card. And you get 2 gift cards, one that's for the parent and one that's for the student or the child. Now you mail the one that's for the student or for the child to them, and you keep this one. And you can continuously fill their gift card through this. And you can keep track of how much they still have on their gift cards and things like that. So we sent Andrew and Madison $40 on the first one because they like to do the subs or the hoagies that are at Publix. So we're going to continue to do Publix. But, and this is just my opinion, Publix is a little on the expensive side. So Andrew and Madison like to do Aldi's. Aldi's, in my opinion, is the better option, because, you know, with our family, you know, we like to go organic. Madison is vegetarian. So, you know, she loves Aldi's, okay? Plus they have a Kroger there. I spoke to Andrew the other night and he said, Mom, he goes, we went and we did shopping. He goes, we got so much food and we only spent $73. And I'm like, awesome, Andrew. So we're going to, we don't have a Kroger around here, I don't believe. I've never seen one. But then again, I would never looked for one either. So I'm going to go online and see if I can do something like this, but with a Kroger gift card. So, because we have to make sure, you know, that the kids are well stocked, as well as sending them care packages as well. So this is what we're working on. Plus we're working on doing this, and Sean's going to be working on his end with doing security for around the house with his background in law enforcement. So this was just a short video, you know, because I keep seeing, you know, what's going on. Okay, I want you guys to sound off in the comment section below, because, you know, I'm becoming concerned, and I'm not just becoming concerned as a citizen of this country. I'm becoming concerned as a wife and a mom. Okay, and I think it's time to buckle down, guys. Okay, I think it's time to focus, but stay calm. Okay, and if you need me, you reach out. Quite a few of you have my email address. I will put it in the description box below. If you want to talk, if you want to rant, you email me. I will always answer you. Okay? I love you. I am here. And I wish there was this thing called smell-o-vision. I'm going to show you something. A few of you have asked me to show you how I cook. Well, this is what's for dinner. This is one of those pot roasts that I had showed you that I had gotten at Aldi's, the barbecue one, and I added some potatoes and carrots, onions, and some peppers. So this is going to be amazing. Okay, guys, that is all for this video. I love you. Remember that always. Stay calm and stay focused. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.